How to apply for student finance in Sri Lanka. Easy step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in Sri Lanka. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Residency requirement. Ensure you are a Sri Lankan citizen or have lived in Sri Lanka for at least 3 years before the application. Course eligibility. You must be enrolled or accepted into an accredited higher education institution. Age limit. Typically, student loans are available for students aged 18 to 35 years old. Step 2. Prepare required documents. Gather these documents before starting your application. National Identity Card or NIC or passport. Proof of acceptance or enrollment from a recognized university. Financial statements or evidence of financial need if applicable. Guarantor details for loans. Academic records, A-level or O-level certificates. Step 3. Visit the Student Finance Portal. Go to the official Student Finance or Scholarship Portal for Sri Lanka, typically available through government websites or the Ministry of Higher Education. Alternatively, visit the website of the specific financial institution offering the loan or scholarship. Step 4. Register an account. Create an account on the platform using your NIC number, email, and mobile number. Confirm your account through the verification link sent to your email. Step 5. Complete the application form. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, address, and contact details. Add your course and institution details. Provide information about your family's financial situation and why you are applying for financial aid. Attach scanned copies of the necessary documents, acceptance letter, ID, guarantor details. Step 6. Select loan or scholarship type. Depending on your eligibility, choose between a student loan or a scholarship. Some schemes offer repayment grace periods or interest-free loans. And before you proceed, in order for you to have $1 million scholarship loan, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 7. Submit your application. After completing the form, double-check all the entered information. Submit your application and keep a copy of your application reference number for future tracking. Step 8. Attend an interview or submit additional documents if requested. Some financial aid schemes may require an interview or further documentation. Ensure you follow up promptly with any request from the loan provider or scholarship board. Step 9. Wait for the decision. Processing times may vary, but you will typically be informed of the decision via email or a portal notification. Check the status of your application regularly. Step 10. Sign loan agreement or acceptance form. If approved, sign the loan agreement or acceptance form for the scholarship. Ensure you understand the terms of repayment, interest rates, and conditions before signing. Step 11. Funds disbursement. Once approved and signed, funds are usually disbursed directly to the university or your account, depending on the specific financial aid scheme. Step 12. Repayment plan, if applicable. For loans, review the repayment plan, including any grace periods, interest rates, and deadlines. Scholarships often don't require payment, but confirm this for your award. And there you have it, folks. You have just unlocked the gateway to your future, one step closer to your dreams. Whether it is funding your education or opening doors to new opportunities, remember that magic is in your persistence. The path may seem challenging, but every great journey starts with a single step. Keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and never forget, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Your future is brighter than you know, so keep shining, keep dreaming, and let the power of knowledge guide your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with others who need it. Together, let us create a world full of endless possibilities. See you in the next video. Stay inspired.